Okay, we're going to be walking around pointing out all the new cars that came in this week. Be sure to go to maplemotors.com to see current inventory. For now, here's another lot walk. Let's get it. What's up and welcome back to another lot walk here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Be sure to hit subscribe and share this video if you haven't already. It helps me out quite a bit. I'm going to be going over the year, the model, and the price. We have financing and shipping available on that website as well. Test drive videos of every single car on the lot. Here we go. Let's get started. Up in the front here, 1968 Chevy Caprice, $25,900. Of course, every individual test drive video that we have is in a playlist below. It says cars currently available. And every Monday is when we put out the new rides. That's the only day. It'll go over all the information you need to know about each car too. Right next to that one, we got a 1970 Pontiac Gto. This one's priced $30,900. And we are closed this week, so be sure to check the date of the video. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass sitting here, $19,900. Yeah, we're all going to be out of town. We'll be closed from Wednesday to Sunday and back open on Monday again. Right next to that, 1974 Plymouth Duster, $21,900. All the information on dates that we will be closed will always be posted on maplemotors.com, so be sure to check that before you make the trip down. A lot of people come from different states. Got another one sitting here, 1970 Chevelle. Everybody's been asking for the Chevelles. Got one in, $32,900. Right next to that, this is a modified 53 Bel Air. Beautiful ride. I think you're gonna love the test drive on this one. A lot of customization going on here, pinstriping. Priced at $29,900. She's a beaut. Coming up the side here, got a 1972 Camaro. This one here's got a set of Kragers on it, and we have it priced at $21,900. Next to that, a 1967 Ford Mustang, and we got it priced $15,900. Moving along, 1965 Plymouth Valiant. Got it priced $13,900. What about a 1970 Chevelle? It's got the LS motor under the hood, runs it, drives great, priced at $19,900. Next to that, a 1956 a Chevy Bel Air. This one's set up like a gasser. Patina paint job, 409 4-speed, priced at $24,900. What about a 1999 Pontiac Trans Am with the T-tops? This thing's pretty fast. LS, $14,900. Right next to that, a 65 C10 step side, priced at $15,900. Got the patina with the clear coat. This one right here was one of our personals. It's a Suburban aftermarket set of wheels, 4-wheel drive, 1989 model, priced at $18,900. Got that 454 under the hood on that one. Coming up in front of the office here, a 1973 Camaro. We've already sold it. We did put all these Camaros on last week, and they did sell pretty fast. There was another 73 sitting right here with the candy apple paint. It also sold as soon as we posted it. Majority of the time when we post cars on Monday, they do go pretty quick. I know a lot of people call a couple hours later and they're either on hold or sold. Some do stick around for a little bit longer. But we do got this Camaro sitting here. It's priced at $23,900. All right, I've still got a whole row here. I've got one car in the showroom to show you and a few in the back. I'll be back with y'all here in just a moment, guys. Thanks. Now, Pops has got a huge collection of Hot Wheels, and it's right next door to Maple Motors. So if you're interested, ask for him. Say, show me the Hot Wheels. He has got a giant room of them. Some of them $1, some of them $3, some of them $20, some of them $100. Depends on what you're looking for. But generally, he's going to have majority of it. He's been doing this for 15 years or more. Well, actually, about 20 years. What am I talking about? That was a while back when he started. Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. I think you'll enjoy it. My sister controls it. She starts adding videos whenever it starts raining. All right, let's get back out there. Just hopping in the showroom. Got a 1972 Charger priced at $29,900. It's a pretty sweet ride. No Camaro sold behind it. I think y'all seen it last week. But this one's new to the lot. You can also pick up tapestries and merch. We have shirts available. Just go to the website and look under merchandise. Thank you. Got a little dusty back here on this 68 Mustang Convertible. We got it priced $23,900. There's a test drive video out on it. Of course, probably gonna wash it before we leave the lot, along with the other two. Sitting next to it, 91 Firebird, priced at $10,900. And of course, a 99 Pontiac Trans Am, priced at $12,900 with the T-tops. Just laying on the ground with a nice air ride setup, priced at $24,900. Beautiful paint job. What about a 1964 Chevy Bel Air? Just on the side of the car lot here, a 1967 four-door Nova. We got it in last week. It sold last week. Right next to that, a 1972 Nova. This one's fast. Definitely a pro street car. $25,900. Next to that, another fast one, Pontiac Firebird. This was a 1967 model with the vent window, purple ghost flames, priced at $29,900. What about a 1972 Nova? Got the big block in it, priced at $31,900. Sold the 66 Fastback. It's not here no more. But the 65 Fastback is sitting right next to it at $32,900. And of course, last but not least, a 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Top goes down, price goes up at $36,900. Guys, we'll just kind of glance around the lot one more time. We got personal cars in the parking lot next door. None of the stuff in the background is available that I did not mention, so don't ask about it. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, share this video, and I'll keep making them for you. Again, financing, shipping, detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. We do have a bio about our family when we started this company almost 40 years ago. We buy cars all the time. You can email detailed pictures of your ride if you're wanting to sell. We don't put a price on your car, so tell us what you're wanting out of it in the description. You can email that to us at maplemotors@aol.com. Old school email, just like the lot. You can also follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. But definitely check out the playlist below and a few different things like how to at Maple Motors. It'll tell you everything, like how to buy, how to ship, how to get financed, or cars currently available. It's updated every single week with new videos. And merchandise, which you can also see on the website. Again, maplemotors.com. Just glancing through, making sure we didn't miss anything. We had a short update this week, just a few cars, because we're going to be closed. Definitely check that website. It'll tell you the exact dates. I sure hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm getting ready to head out of town here. Figured I'd make it right before y'all left. So October 5th through the 9th. Don't plan any trips down here. We won't be here. Always call us before you come. Some people will just drive down on a car without even asking if it's available still. And as you can see, we go through 50 to 60 cars a month. There's always something new. And honestly, there's about 40 cars that are not on the lot right now that we have for the future. We always stay ahead. There's no list. We won't tell you what's coming. You'll see it on Monday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later, guys.
Some